every engineer of the nation. We all celebrate Engineers Day on 15th September every year with great zeal and enthusiasm. But what is the reason behind it? For all the Indian engineers, Sir Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya, a Bharat Ratna awardee, was born on 15th September 1861 in Mundenahalli village, Karnataka. He is remembered as the father of Engineers Day for his contributions to India. He studied Bachelors of Arts from University of Madras and pursued civil engineering from College of Science in Pune. His contributions have revolutionized the country and put India on the global map. He patented and installed irrigation system with water floodgates at Kandakvalsa near Pune to raise food supply and storage to the highest levels. In the same way, similar system was installed at Tigra Dam in Gwalior and Krishnarajasagara Dam in Mysore, which are the largest reservoirs of Asia. Later, he worked as the 19th Diwan of Mysore from 1912 to 1919. He was knighted in 1915 as the commander of British Indian Empire by King George V. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1955. He became a member of London Institute of Civil Engineers before he was awarded fellowship by Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. He joined as assistant engineer in PWD Bombay and then later was invited to Indian Irrigation Commission. He was instrumental in developing a system to protect Vishakhapatnam port from sea erosion and that made him a celebrity. He had given technical advice for locating Mokamma Bridge over river Ganga in Bihar. He was 90 years old at that time. He also designed flood protection system for Hyderabad. During his service with government of Mysore state, he was responsible for founding of Mysore soap factory, Paristoid laboratory, Mysore iron and steel works and Bhadravati, now known as Vishveshwaraya Iron and Steel Works. He was called father of modern Mysore state by State Bank of Mysore and many other institutions. He played major role in chalking out a plan for road construction between Tirupati and Tirumala. Beyond his contributions, his sincerity, time management and dedication to cause made him a pioneer in the field of engineering. He was great lover of Kannada language and started Kannada Parishad. He was instrumental in the designing and planning of entire area of Jayanagar in Bangalore. He is the first ever engineer in India. Hence, to commemorate his excellent work, he is called Father of Engineers in India and National Engineers Day is celebrated on his birthday every year.